Hello guys, today I am going to help you on how to fix Instagram login with Facebook issue. If you're trying to log in into your Instagram account through your Facebook and you get like this or like this, there is no need to worry because fixing this one is very easy. What you are going to do is this. Go to your Facebook account. Tap the three horizontal line on the upper right corner of your screen. Tap Settings and Privacy and tap the settings. And now, you are now here at the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until the bottom. There you can find the Account Center. Now click it. Here, you can find your connected accounts. And click Logging in with Accounts. Now, click All Accounts to log into each other. If it asks for the password, kindly type your password. After this, you can now go on to your Instagram and log in into your account. Now, you can freely browse in your Instagram. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.